Determine the logical transaction and step or screen associated with the screen field label you need to configure. If multiple fields exist within a screen, check the technical name of the specific screen field. Open transaction/tctm/EWM CFG. Navigate to the logical transaction and select the associated line. Double-click logical step/screen. Navigate to the step and select the relevant line. Double-click screen fields. If multiple display profiles exist, ensure you're modifying the correct one. Click the display. Change to enable edit mode. Tick the new label checkbox, then enter a new description in the screen field label. Click the Save button, assign or create a customizing transport request. Then click Continue. Navigate back, and then select the screen to confirm that your changes are reflected.